Hi guys, I'm bringing you one easy, simple, delicious stir-fry ginger with chicken breast served over rice. Fresh ginger, I'm going to scrape with a spoon. It is the best. The ginger has been peeled and washed. It's not a lot. Normally I use twice. But today this is the only ginger I have. 3 stalks of green onion. 3 cloves of garlic. 1 shallot. 1 chicken breast. It is boneless and skinless. But if you prefer boneless chicken thigh, do so. Cut into a small strip like this. Half teaspoon MSG, optional. 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you feel like it is too much, use less. And a little bit of black pepper, just sprinkle it. 1 tablespoon sesame seed oil. 2 teaspoon fish sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Combine all these ingredients together. Make sure you have a glass of water next to you when you cook, so that way you can add into your cooking. I use avocado oil for my cooking, especially for stir fry, but it's up to you, whatever you prefer. Let's start cooking. Add about 1/4 cup of cooking oil. The ginger is nice and golden. Remove from the cooking oil. Now scoop out some of the cooking oil. Cook until nice and golden. Add chicken. Sauce. A little bit of water just to cook the chicken. Cover and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Final touch is the green onion, serrano pepper, and ginger. Dump it all in there. Use a total of 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce in this recipe. Give it a nice mix for a minute or so, and it is ready to be served. Leftover cooking oil that you see that I take it out from the skillet. I'm going to serve this for the next stir fry. Let's eat. So good.